Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to claim Lucky Spin in Casino Plus. So let's start. First, Casino Plus is a casino from Filipinas, so it's only available in Filipinas. But if you're playing like they play Lucky Spins and you wanna take off the money, withdraw the money, well, first you have to see these steps that is the registration steps. So first you have to register and you confirm your email via email or eSIMs, add strong security, and provide documents if the YYC is prompt, and return the lobby browser first. When you do it, well, you can stake the claim the lucky bonus or the lucky money here. It's easy to do it. In fact, it's a popular game, so you can start using it. But first, you have to follow these steps that are told you here, and that is what we'll ask you on Casino Plus to fill before you can withdraw money or before you can start using the game. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.